Greetings, it's the Creator, back in action. Get ready for a weekly dive into the extraordinary. I'll be your guide through the most gripping events in the world of mysteries. Tune in and join me as we navigate the top of the list. What might seem strange or unusual in one country can be a delicacy or traditional dish in another. Here are 10 countries known for their unique culinary offerings. At number 10, Finland. Mami, a traditional Easter dessert made from water, rye flour, and powdered malted rye, with a very distinctive, dark and somewhat bitter flavor. Kalakukko, a type of fish pie made with rye crust, often filled with fish like perch or salmon, mixed with pork and baked for several hours. At number 9, Scotland. Haggis, a savory pudding made from sheep's heart, liver, and lungs, mixed with oatmeal and spices, and encased in the animal's stomach. Black pudding, blood sausage made from pork blood, fat, and oatmeal. Number 8, Mexico. Eskimos, ant larvae harvested from agave plants, sometimes called insect caviar. Chapulines, toasted grasshoppers, often flavored with garlic, lime juice, and salt. Number 7, Cambodia. Fried tarantulas, often sold as street food. Prok, fermented fish paste used as a seasoning or condiment. Number 6, Thailand. Fried insects, including crickets, grasshoppers, and giant water bugs. La Bluat Noya, raw beef salad with a dressing made from beef blood. Number 5, South Korea. Sanakji, live octopus, usually cut into small pieces and served immediately. Biendegi, steamed or boiled silkworm pupae. Literally, pupa, is a Korean insect-based street food made with silkworm pupae. The boiled or steamed snack food is served in paper cups with toothpick skewers. At number 4, Philippines. Balut, fertilized duck embryo, boiled and eaten in the shell. A developing duck embryo that's boiled alive in its shell. As well as sounding incredibly harsh, it looks decidedly unappetizing. Still, it's a common Filipino street food and is usually served with beers, though not ever on a Taste Winchester History and Hops Beer and Cider tour. Tamalok, woodworms, often eaten raw or soaked in vinegar. Not all Filipino are keen eating this kind of food. At number 3, Iceland. Hokal, fermented shark, known for its strong ammonia smell, is a national dish of Iceland consisting of Greenland shark or other sleeper shark that has been cured with a particular fermentation process and hung to dry for 4 to 5 months. The traditional method begins with gutting and beheading a shark and placing it in a shallow hole dug in gravelly sand, with the cleaned cavity resting on a small mound of sand. The shark is then covered with sand and gravel, and stones are placed on top of the sand in order to press the fluids out of the body. Svi, boiled sheep's head. Is a traditional Icelandic dish consisting of a sheep's head cut in half, singed to remove the fur, and boiled with the brain removed. 1. Sometimes cured in lactic acid. When eating svi, the ears are sometimes considered taboo due to the superstitious belief that when they, bearing the mark of the animal's owner, are removed, the eater will be accused of theft. It is sometimes held that if the little bone underneath the tongue is not broken, a child that cannot yet speak will remain silent forever. Many Icelanders consider the eye to be the best part of the head. Number 2, Japan. Shirako, fish milt, sperm sacs, often from cod or pufferfish. Basashi, raw horse meat sashimi. Because of its pink color, it can be served raw as sashimi in thin slices dipped in soy sauce, often with ginger, onions, garlic, and/or shiso leaves added. Before concluding this video, remember to click the subscribe button, give it a like, and share it to help expand this channel and access more free videos. And at number 1, China. Hold your breath. Top of the list at number 1, China. Century eggs. Eggs preserved for weeks or months in a mixture of clay, ash, and quicklime. also known as alkalized or preserved egg, are a Chinese egg-based culinary dish made by preserving duck, chicken, or quail eggs in a mixture of clay, ash, salt, quicklime, and rice hulls for several weeks to several months, depending on the processing method. And lastly, fried insects, including silkworms, scorpions, and grasshoppers, bugs, snake, ants, spider, worms, and God knows what else. Kudos to China. And that's all for today's video. See you again. Hit that subscribe button.